Right, so everything went horribly wrong. Hello, welcome back to Rivo Tech. Today we're upgrading the setup. We are going to add a few things, change a few things around. Got RGB mousepad. Quite excited to plug this in, see what it looks like. We've got dual monitor arms. So the monitors will be floating, give me a little bit more space on the desk. And a IKEA lamp with a smart RGB bulb in it. So I need to take everything off, get it all cleaned down. It's a bit dusty at the minute, and then get all the new stuff in. If you like the video, drop a like, comment on what you think is good, what you like, what you don't like, and subscribe for more content. Let's get to it. Oh, and I've also got some speakers I haven't used for a very long time. Right, I've had this monitor on this stand so long I can't actually remember how to take it off. But we'll have a go. Stand off. It's actually a very heavy stand. Alright, one down, one to go. I think I'm going to leave that part on because I'm really not sure how to get it off and you won't see it anyway. Plus the VESA mount is here, so that should be alright. Alright, first things first, unbox the monitor arms. Alright, quick unboxing. That's quite a lot of screws and Allen keys, 3 different Allen keys. That's the bracket to mount it on the desk. Don't know what that is. Bracket of some sorts. Plate of some sorts. I'm actually going to have to look at the instructions for this. Got a pole. So this is off Amazon, so I'll put the link of everything that I've got out here in the description of the plate. Yeah, so they're the plates that go on the back of the monitor. The instructions, going to need them for this. Board. And the main adjustable arms. Alright, so first off, it's the C bracket onto the pole. So this is the this will sit on the top of the desk. Alright, so I've finally got that bit on. And we need to put this pad. Alright, so this sticks to that. Alright, so now we're attaching the actual bracket itself. Looks like it goes on the inside of that. Oh, okay, so these nuts are not obviously meant to go on the end of them. And we need to put the screws in from the back, not the front. Why would they be in the same? They were in the same little packet bit. That makes more sense. Put them in from the back because this bit's got threaded screws on it. Well, it's threaded. The holes are threaded. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. All right, so that looks more promising now. Okay, so this option, this is optional. This is if you've got a desk with a circle already cut out in it for wires. So I think it might actually be best to mount it to the desk and then carry on from there. Or is it going to be a bit far away? Yeah, it's a bit too far. We can mount it here for now. All right, so now we just need to back this on. So let's go that way around. The brackets go over that little nubbin. I don't quite know what height I want it. I can always move it up and down. I'll just go for there for now. Alright, now we need to put the clips on. Alright, so these are wire maintenance clips. They go here. I'm glad that it's supplied with these. If not, I was going to use cable ties. Alright, next is putting the mounts on the actual monitors. This one has got a curved back, so it comes, well, angled back. So it's thinner this end and fatter this end. Luckily they thought of that. Give you these standoffs, so you can use them to space it out. I think that's just going to be enough. Now we need these longer screws because of the standoffs. Alright, so I've got a problem. The holes on the monitor come about here. So I think what I'm going to do is just drill 4 holes because they're too small for these ones. They're pre-drilled. Alright, so this one's going to fit perfectly. And we can use these thumb screws because it's not curved on the back. Well, slightly, but nothing too much. Yeah, so the next step is to drop the monitor on. but we're going to mount it at the back first. Right, let's drop the first one on. There you go, that looks so much better. Presume there is a little nut. Ah, is that what the nuts are for? Aha, that's what these little nuts are for. And you can't see that little bracket on the back, so that's fine. Right, I'm going to go and drill the holes for the other monitor. The one that's more expensive and a game monitor, but doesn't have a standard mount. The most annoying thing is, it has the holes for it, but they just didn't put the holes in. They used these smaller ones instead. Would you look at that? Now the bracket fits. Hopefully it's got enough room to slide onto the actual arm. Just need to tighten them up. Don't want to do them too tight. Alright, all screws are in. Fingers crossed, it will go on. Alright, there's two little tabs at the bottom. So if I unscrew two of the screws slightly, then it'll be perfect. Perfect. Now I can tighten them back up. Alright, then it's just tighten everything up. Alright, that looks so much cleaner already. I think next we'll put the... We'll plug these in first, then we'll go for speakers. Alright, so I'm just going to run the display lead. So we've got this one running off DisplayPort, and then the other one runs off HDMI. Because the middle one's obviously the main monitor. 122 Hz. So right, so then the PC is going back here. We'll drop this underneath the sub. They've also got that little volume knob. So we'll put that there so you can see as little of the wire as possible. I am slightly concerned about this hole, that my new mouse pad isn't going to cover it. But if not, I suppose the wires will sort of cover it. Next. PC, I suppose. Well, I've got this lamp, but I don't know how to put it at the back or not. See what it looks like. Yeah, it actually looks alright there, don't it? I think I'll eventually replace it with LEDs behind the monitors, but it just gives that corner a bit of something. Alright, PC. Right, so everything went horribly wrong, basically. As you may notice, I've got two of the same monitors now, not one bigger one. Because putting them out on, probably see where this is going. These screws are very long. Even with the spacers, they went into the holes too far. The logic board is behind the screw holes, and they've carved a nice hole in the logic board, cutting connections. So now I'll put some images up, clearest ones I can get. So now this monitor is pretty much dead and useless, which is my best monitor, 144 Hz Samsung curved gaming display, dead. So just a word of warning, I'll put a link to the monitor arms in the description. They're from Amazon. Do not use the long screws, or if you do, measure how long you think you need, cut them down. I'm going to contact Amazon, see if I can get any money back, or if they want to buy me a new monitor, that would be very nice, because I'm currently stuck with now two 60 Hz monitors that are small. But yeah, let's do some B-roll of what it looks like now. So thank you very much for watching. Yes, it did all go horribly wrong, but it does look a lot better now at least. And yeah, it's good and bad. If you like the video, drop a like, it really helps me out. Drop a comment. What would you do if this happened to your monitor? I am going to contact Amazon, see what happens. Subscribe for more content. Hopefully not content that goes horribly wrong like this has. Thank you for watching. Bye.